As good as any two franchises in the NFL.
Well, we back. It's me.
D and them.
And Skylar Rock is in the house.
And we got a what? Well, fuck it. Let's move on. Now. Well, you got to come back 10 seconds earlier.
We forgot to introduce the bud.
I don't know if I like this intro. We're going to figure something else out later. Now, as we talk about this damn game, give me your thoughts on that.
First of all, we're talking about the Bears game, right?
That's it.
I don't think they played one today, so we're going to have to move on.
What you think about that, Skylar Rock?
I think we need to get rid of the quarterback. You can't see me at all there, but is that me that day?
Well, first of all,
You got to get rid of
you're
that
doing
quarterback.
peace signs on my show. I don't know. That's gang banging?
Not at all. Peace to everybody. We need to get rid of Mitch Trubisky.
Now, what do you...
My host is all over the place. Pardon me.
We gonna figure that.
First of all, he's not even a real aficionado on this thing.
Yeah, we haven't hired him yet.
But,
Well, it's hard to hide me if you can't see me. You just hear my voice.
but let's go
I think
back.
that's how we gonna want you.
Let's go back to the game at hand. As I analyze this game, we gonna leave Scotty over there.
Cause it's not gonna work if it's me, D, and the bud, and then the other guy.
And then the
I don't
other
know.
guy. What is his name anyways? He the other guy?
I quit.
He already quit.
First of
We
all,
ain't gotta worry about him.
First of all, you fight. Yeah, you out.
Now hold on. Let's not fire. That means we gotta give his ass some unemployment. And we ain't got it. Let's move on.
Let's move on. I think these Bears this year, first of all, I cannot wait for basketball. These Bears.
You heard him out his own mouth. Y'all know what we talk about around here. The basketball seasons.
And-
When it start, other guy.
And who am I to talk about
Oh, I
it?
don't get TV.
No, you don't get no. You don't. Other guy don't get no TV time. You gotta talk though. I gotta hear you.
Wait a minute. And who am I to talk about it?
It started Tuesday.
Okay, other guy. I apologize. I'm gonna give you a little TV time. Let other guy talk.
It started Tuesday.
And I hate that it started Tuesday because who am I called, Stanley? Them. I'm a Hall of Famer.
Ah, now look, you, Derek Freeman. I told you once before. Don't you tell nobody else this shit. We know you're a Hall of Famer, but tell them.
I'm a football Hall of Famer. And I hate that the Bears are getting their ass whooped this bad every week.
We can't take it. We can't take it.
Can't take it.
Other guy. Can you take it?
Talk to the other guy.
I can't stand it, man. It's a travesty.
But you have on all that Bears paraphernalia.
That was
Pay
a
up for
mistake.
that?
That's a mistake. It won't happen again.
But it looked good on you.
They gonna think Cam talking too short.
He's so damn mad over there. He don't know if he on camera or not. Now, we do have him. But my point is, he slept through the whole damn season. I don't know what's happening there. Somebody talk about something.
All I know is this Bears game was very disappointing. I don't know. Mr. Trubisky came back. And they're calling plays and throw 2-yard passes on maybe just run the ball. Another 2-yard pass.
He getting people kicked. This is why I don't want to talk about this shit.
I think the Bears should go another
Next
option as far as their quarterback and their offensive scheme. If that means they got to go somewhere else with their head coach,
Why are you doing the whole goddamn commentary when we only got a 10-minute show?
He lost control, man. The Bears ain't shit, period.
I gotta get off of here now. We're gonna stop saying. Now, see what I'm saying? This is why I only want to talk basketball. Now, I'm gonna be talking basketball with y'all Tuesday with me,
D, and them.
And Skylar Rock.
And a bud.
We'll be back at y'all, and as always, we'll figure it out later. Y'all terrible, man. You motherfuckers don't know nothing. Now I'm gonna go and uncut on my own shit. They fucking my shit up. Now I take that back. They doing damn good.